Everyone thinks the best-selling waterproof tape is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Titan Patch Pro Waterproof Sealant Tape. First up is the Titan Patch Pro Waterproof Sealant Tape from TOLTROPRS. Priced at $18.99. This tape really caught my eye with its promise to stop leaks fast and last for over 15 years. If you want a reliable seal for those tricky leaks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The tape bonds instantly to a variety of materials, including rubber and metal, which is crucial if you're fixing your RV roof or a pool lining. Imagine this. No primer needed, and it seals in seconds. That means you can get back to enjoying your day instead of worrying about leaks. Plus, it can withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're in a snowy blizzard or blazing sun, it holds up. Now, some people complain that it can be a bit tough to reposition once it sticks down. Here's the thing though, if you apply it correctly the first time, you shouldn't need to reposition it. So if you're someone who values a quick fix and longevity, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you've got a camper or a pool that needs reliable sealing. Skip this one if you're looking for tape for light-duty tasks. For the price, it's a good investment considering its longevity and effectiveness. Now, if TITAN PATCH Pro's price point bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TREX Heavy Duty Duct Tape. Next up is the TREX Heavy Duty Duct Tape, priced at just $8.98. This tape stood out to me because it's made with UV-resistant materials, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor repairs. If you need something that can handle the elements, this is definitely worth a look. Why should you care? The TREX tape has a premium adhesive and high tensile strength, which means it sticks well to a wide variety of surfaces, from wood to concrete. This is crucial if you're working on a project that needs durability, like outdoor repairs that face harsh weather conditions. With a rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 2,000 reviews, it's clear that many users trust this tape. However, some reviewers noted that it may not stick well in extremely humid conditions. But honestly, for most typical repairs, it shines. If you're looking for something versatile and affordable, TREX is a great choice. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone needing quick repairs around the house. Skip this if you need something specifically for high-stress applications, but for the price, it offers great value for everyday use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your everyday repair needs. Product number 3, Shushu Heavy Duty Duct Tape. Now, we have the Shushu 3-pack Heavy Duty Duct Tape, costing just $8.99. What caught my attention is that it comes in a bulk pack, making it ideal for anyone looking to stock up. If you want a strong adhesive that lasts, this is worth considering. These rolls are designed with strong adhesion and can tackle tough weather conditions, which is essential for outdoor projects. The fact that it tears by hand means you can easily use it without needing scissors, which I found genuinely convenient. Plus, with over 1,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many folks have found it to be dependable for various repairs. On the downside, some users mentioned that the adhesive can be a bit too sticky at times, making it challenging to remove or reposition. But here's the thing. If you're using it for serious repairs, that strong bond is actually a plus. This is perfect for anyone who frequently tackles home repairs or DIY projects. Skip this if you only need a tape for occasional use. It's a great value for the quantity and quality. Now, if Shushu's strong adhesion was appealing, the next product takes that concept even further. Product number 4, Lockport Heavy Duty Duct Tape. Coming in at $25.99, the Lockport 5-pack Heavy Duty Duct Tape is another great contender. What really got me interested was its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 6,300 reviews. If you need a tape that works in all weather conditions, you should really check this one out. Lockport's tape is designed to be waterproof and can withstand hot or cold environments, which is awesome if you're in an area with unpredictable weather. The fact that it leaves no residue when removed is a huge bonus, saving you the hassle of cleanup after you're done with your repairs. With a total of 150 yards across 5 rolls, you have plenty to tackle multiple projects. However, I did find that some users reported it being a bit thicker than expected, which may not conform well to smaller or irregular surfaces. But I'll be real with you, that thickness often translates to better durability, making it worth it for bigger jobs. This is perfect for contractors or anyone who needs a reliable tape for serious repairs. Skip this if you want something lighter for minor fixes, but for what you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something that's even more accessible, our last product might just be what you're after. Product number 5, BOMI Pack Heavy Duty Duct Tape. Finally, we have the BOMI Pack 2-Pack Heavy Duty Duct Tape, priced at $13.88. This caught my eye for its 9mm thickness and strong industrial strength. If you want a tape that's flexible and easy to work with, this one is worth checking out. These tapes can stick to a variety of surfaces and withstand all kinds of weather. The ability to tear by hand makes it super convenient for quick fixes. Plus, it boasts no residue, so you can remove it without leaving a sticky mess behind, which is something a lot of people appreciate. However, some people mentioned that it might not be as durable for long-term outdoor exposure compared to others on this list. But honestly, for indoor use and short-term repairs, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for students or anyone who frequently needs to do quick fixes or craft projects. Skip this if you're looking for something specifically for long-term outdoor use, but it's definitely a great value for the price. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Titan Patch Pro for its longevity, the TREX for its affordability, the Shoe for its bulk value, the Lockport for its all-weather reliability, and the BOMI Pack for quick fixes. Each has its strengths depending on what you need. So, which one will you choose for your next project?